Hi Blazers, welcome to Ample Blazers' new video. We're going to do a review of my new headphones, the Sony WH1000 XM4s. This is this year's model that came out early this year. There are the XM5s, but that was out of Ample Blazers' budget, so we went with this year's model, which was on a discount due to Boxing Day sales. And we bought it from JB Hi-Fi. For you Americans out there, that's Best Buy. So go out there and get yourself a good deal, because the quality on XM4s is still high, and I've tested the XM5s and the 4s, and trust me, they ain't no difference. So if you can save a couple $100, go with this year XM4. So we're gonna unbox it now and see how we go. Now, as I know, these should work for both Android and iOS devices, so Apple iPhones and your Android phones should be good. So this is the box. I'm going to switch it around. So we've got Alexa built in, Google Assistant, you've got 360-degree reality audio, so it gives you that surround sound. You got wireless and noise cancelling. So you got all that going for it. So we've unboxed the headphones. Guys. This is what you get in the package. So we do have to download an app and power on the headphones. So we may do the app thing at a later stage, but I just want to give you an initial unboxing here, just to show you what you get in the box and your overall kind of feel. So take that away. You get a nice, good feeling cover. Shows you basically everything. Well, let's have a look. So we'll unzip. Actually, before we go into the headphones, let's see what else we get in here. So there's a music service, that 360 audio. We get a music service here. There's a code in the back. I'm not going to put that on screen because that's for me, so we'll leave that alone. And then it looks like you get your normal bedtime reading. So if you want to have a look at your manual and how to do everything for a standard headphone, I don't think there'll be any differences for any headphones, regardless of it being Sony or any other brand. It's pretty much standard. So that's the box. That's it, guys. Let's get to the headphones. I'm actually zipping it up, so we're going to unzip. So we unzip and you get the headphones like this. Yep, you get the headphones like this, guys, and then you've got your headphone jack. So if you don't want to go wireless, you can use the basic headphone jack and plug it in, and don't have to waste your battery that way. And you've got a Bluetooth dongle here. So if you can see the Bluetooth dongle, it's pretty stock standard. I think this would be great. I think if you are on an aeroplane. If you remember the airplane, when you're sitting down on your chair, you've got those little two holes. You put this in, and I think that should work. And you've got another jack there. So I don't know if I'm going to use this, but hey, it's there. It's good, little extra. And then you've got your headphones, which is very interesting. So let's have a look. I just don't want to break this. So it feels comfortable. So you've got your noise cancelling, you've got a custom button, so you can probably program that using the app, and we won't go that far today. You've got a power button, and you've got the headphone jack there, and then on this side You've got another, probably the USB charging cable over there. So it's USB-C as I think it is. But that's probably the only thing that's missing here is a USB-C cable. Oh, here we go. Sorry. Stand corrected. You do get a USB-C cable. It's the smallest cable I've seen in my life, but hey, you get something, so it's worth it. So you're paying, you're paying up to $350 for this on sale in Aussie bucks. So this is me wearing the thing. I'm not going to do any adjustments. It feels good the way it is. So yeah, it's comfortable. All I've got to do is listen, and I did listen to it in the into the store, and it was working fine. So this is your initial unboxing of the headphones, the WH1000 XM4s, or in short XM4, the Sony XM4s. So it's out there in the stores, guys. Go out there and have a look and see if it fits the bill. There are headphones that are more expensive or cheaper. It's really up to you. I think that this is the bargain for Christmas this year, because then you don't have to really go out there and buy anything for a while. I had other Sony headphones in the past, and they were the mid-range, I would say the mid-range ones. They weren't the XM models, the WH something model. The one that I just disconnected in the previous video that you'll see. Those are the mid-range ones. Their sound quality is good. It really depends what you're going to use it for, but that's it, guys, for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.